Welcome, dear students of class 8. I am Jabin Firdaus, your English teacher. How are you all? I have already given your half-yearly syllabus on our website. Probably you all have seen that. If not, then I am repeating the syllabus once again here. It's been given to practice the model questions from 18 to 25 from the book we have been using in our class. I think you got me. So girls, today I have picked one grammatical item from your 18 number model question. The item is changing sentences as directed. Now open your 18 model question and focus on number 11. You can see there are 5 sentences and I am going to discuss about them today. In number 1, the sentence is Akbar was a very great emperor. Here we have to change this sentence into exclamatory sentence. Exclamatory sentence or exclamation means a sudden cry or remark expressing surprise, strong emotion or pain. So this sentence will be expressed with strong emotion and the sentence will be what a great emperor Akbar was. And the sentence will be finished with exclamation mark. In number 2, the sentence is the Mughal Empire was ruled by him for many years. This is a passive sentence. We have to make it an active sentence. We already have knowledge about voice. So this sentence in active will be he ruled the Mughal Empire for many years. Now we come to the number 3. The sentence is he welcomed wise men to his court. We have to change it into passive sentence. This sentence is also a case of changing voice. The sentence will be here, wise men were welcomed by him to his court. Number 4, people from all over the world gathered at his court. Here we have to change this Here we have to change this sentence as an interrogative sentence or have to make it a question. So the sentence will be here, did not the people from all over the world gather at his court? Here the sentence was in past indefinite tense, so I changed the sentence also in past form and I used did not. Now the last one, number 5, the sentence is there were 9 famous wise men in his court. We have to make it a negative sentence. Here the sentence will be expressed in negative form, but the meaning of the sentence will be unchanged. That is there were not more than 9 famous wise men in his court. What do we see here? The meaning is same, but the sentence has been changed in negative form. So girls, this is the way you can practice the other model questions at your home. If you need any help, just give me a call. My number is given in our website. Looking forward to see you girls on our next online class. Till then, bye-bye.